Welcome to this video tutorial on Prisma SD-WAN app-defined policies. Have you ever wondered how modern enterprises guarantee application performance across MPLS, broadband, and 5G links? The answer is not routing. It's not QoS. It's app-defined policies. Today, I'm going to show you the feature that makes Prisma SD-WAN one of the most intelligent WAN platforms in the industry. What is the problem? In a traditional WAN, routers make forwarding decisions based on IP addresses and routing tables. But applications don't care about routes. Users care about experience. Microsoft Teams cares about latency. Zoom cares about jitter. Salesforce cares about response time. And SAP cares about reliability. Traditional routing cannot understand application intent. Prisma SD-WAN can. What are app-defined policies? App-defined policies allow network administrators to create business-driven traffic rules based on applications instead of IP addresses. Prisma SD-WAN identifies applications using App ID technology. The platform can recognize thousands of applications, even when encrypted. Examples include Microsoft 365, Salesforce, Zoom, AWS applications, Google Cloud Services, custom enterprise applications. Once identified, Prisma SD-WAN automatically applies business policies. No manual route manipulation required. Let us see now how it works. Step 1. Identify the application. Prisma SD-WAN inspects traffic and determines exactly which application is being used. Step 2. Match application to policy. The centralized controller checks the configured app-defined policy. Example: business-critical applications. Preferred path, MPLS. Priority, high. Cloud applications. Preferred path, Broadband Internet. Priority, medium. Video streaming. Action, load balance. Priority, low. Step 3. Select the best path. The system continuously measures latency, jitter, packet loss, available bandwidth. Prisma SD-WAN then dynamically chooses the optimal path, not based on static routes, based on actual application experience. Real-time adaptation. Imagine Microsoft Teams is currently using an MPLS circuit. Suddenly latency increases. Traditional routing would continue using the same path. Prisma SD-WAN immediately detects degradation. Traffic is automatically moved to a healthier broadband path. The user never notices. No manual intervention. No route changes. No outage tickets. This is what Palo Alto calls autonomous digital experience management. Key benefits. Application awareness. The network understands business applications. Optimal user experience. Traffic follows the best performing path. Efficient link utilization. Every circuit is fully utilized. Centralized policy management. One policy can control thousands of sites. Dynamic traffic steering. Decisions happen in real time. Reduced operational complexity. Less troubleshooting. Better outcomes. Enterprise use case. Imagine a global enterprise with 500 branch locations, dual broadband links, LTE backup, direct cloud access. Instead of managing hundreds of route policies at every site, administrators create one app-defined policy. Prisma SD-WAN automatically enforces it across the entire network. That's true centralized control at scale. Final outcome or conclusion. If there's one feature that defines Prisma SD-WAN, it's app-defined policies. Because modern networks should optimize for applications, not routes, not circuits, applications. And that's exactly what Prisma SD-WAN delivers. Subscribe for more network engineering tutorials. Check the description below for architecture guides, deployment resources, and lab examples. See you in the next video.